Guys, sorry for the non-picture today. I don't know, my webcam's not working very well, but my microphone is. I heard about this rare fire tornado passing through Brazil. I'll put an annotation somewhere in the video so you can see what's going on with that fire tornado. I think it's really cool, but very deadly also. It put traffic to a halt, and everything was pretty damn sweet. Alright, peace.